Welcome to another video lecture. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about the simple indexing method. Operation of rotating the job through a required angle between two successive cuts is termed as indexing. This we require where we try to cut different number of teeth on a gear blank. This is accomplished by a milling machine accessory called as dividing head. Let's try to understand what is this dividing head is. The dividing head consists of index plate with a crank connected to the spindle on which the workpiece is mounted through the worm and worm wheel arrangement. The ratio of crank and workpiece is 40:1. Let's have a look at the arrangement. So in this way, the 40 turns of the crank will rotate the one turn of the workpiece. There are different methods of indexing. Let's try to look at different methods. Direct indexing, simple indexing or plain indexing, compound indexing, differential indexing and angular indexing. In this video, we study about simple or the plain indexing. In case of plain indexing, we can carry out the indexing method by considering T is equal to 40/N, where T is number of turns of the crank to be made and where capital N is represents the number of teeth to be cut on the gear blank. Let's consider a small problem. A gear has a 14 teeth. Index it using the simple indexing method. So we can start the indexing by writing T is equal to 40 by number of teeth, that is 14. You have to simplify it. When we simplify it, it will be 20/7. The important point of the simple or the plain indexing method is that we have to find the denominator should represent one of the crank pin hole circles. Normally, there are two varieties of index plates are given along with the milling machines. One we call it as a brown and sharp, which has got three different plates, and one more is Parkinson, which is having two number of plates. So we have to make an arrangement such that the denominator should represent one of the whole circles which are available on the index plate. If you look at the brown and sharp, there is one whole circle, that is 21, which is very much suitable, which is a multiple of 7. So in this way, we can make use of the 21. To make this 20/17, we can write it in a mixed fraction like 2 into 6/7. If you multiply it by 3, we are going to get 2 into 18/21. So now we are in a position to index the 14 teeth on the workpiece. How to represent it? Let's see. 2 represents the turns to be done by the crank and 18 represents the number of holes to be moved by the crank. 21 represents the whole circle which we have selected for the indexing. So we can write the indexing of 14 teeth in the following way. That is 2 complete turns of the crank and 14 holes in 21 hole circle. Similarly, you can index the different number of teeth which can be cut on the gear. Thank you all for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel and also visit kdedutech.teachy.com for more number of videos like this.